Hello and welcome to the session. Global Business Environment LO2 determine the strategic complexities associated with operating in a global environment. Operating in a global business environment brings unique strategic complexities. From international trade laws to cultural diversity, businesses face multifaceted challenges. This video explores these complexities and strategies to navigate them effectively. International trade law impacts how countries trade with each other. Globalization's economic and environmental effects challenge risk strategies. The international supply chain's complexity adds another layer of difficulty. Businesses must adapt to different legal and regulatory environments. Political, economic, and sociocultural factors further complicate global operations. The World Trade Organization plays a crucial role in global trade. Established in Geneva, it facilitates trade negotiations and dispute settlements. It ensures trade is fair and transparent, benefiting all countries. The WTO collaborates with other international organizations. Its aim is to create a coherent global economic policy. APEC is a regional forum fostering economic collaboration. It reduces trade barriers and encourages knowledge sharing. APEC aims for sustainable and inclusive growth in the Asia-Pacific. It plays a pivotal role in harnessing regional interconnectivity. Member economies are better equipped to capitalize on globalization's opportunities. ASEAN promotes political and economic cooperation in Southeast Asia. It ensures regional stability and economic integration. ASEAN fosters a shared identity and values among its members. It addresses social issues and promotes cultural heritage. The organization engages with external partners globally. The OECD promotes policies for economic and social well-being. It provides a platform for policy exchange and collaboration. The organization conducts research and sets international standards. It assists both member and non-member countries. The OECD plays a crucial role in shaping global policies. International trade law governs trade between countries. It includes treaties and conventions ensuring smooth trade. The law impacts economic growth and dispute resolution. It protects intellectual property and standardizes trade practices. Environmental and labor standards are also addressed. Globalization fosters economic growth and efficiency. It increases foreign direct investment and market interdependence. However, it exacerbates income inequality and financial risks. Globalization's environmental impacts include increased carbon footprints. Countries must navigate these challenges in risk strategies. International supply chains face cultural and logistical challenges. Regulatory and compliance issues add complexity. Tariffs, currency fluctuations, and political instability impact costs. Companies must manage infrastructure variability and language barriers. Advanced technologies and partnerships are crucial for resilience. Global businesses face diverse legal frameworks. Compliance costs and inconsistent standards pose challenges. Opportunities include market access and competitive advantages. Innovation and sustainable practices can emerge from regulatory adaptation. Understanding legislation helps mitigate risks and leverage opportunities. Operating across time zones presents scheduling difficulties. Communication delays and employee fatigue are common challenges. Opportunities include extended business hours and global market access. The follow-the-sun model enhances productivity. Businesses must employ advanced tools and cultural awareness for success. Cultural differences impact communication and business etiquette. Varied decision-making and motivational factors pose challenges. Opportunities include richer perspectives and broader customer appeal. Embracing diversity enhances reputation and talent acquisition. Cultural sensitivity unlocks immense opportunities in global markets. The monetary environment affects interest rates and exchange rates. Inflation and credit availability impact business operations. Opportunities arise from low interest rates and competitive currency values. Hedging and investment opportunities can mitigate risks. Understanding monetary conditions is crucial for strategic planning. Political unrest disrupts business operations and consumer confidence. Policy unpredictability and threats to assets pose challenges. Opportunities include market leadership post-conflict and political reforms. Businesses can leverage international support and negotiation leverage. Risk management strategies are essential in unstable regions. Global consumer preferences vary widely, requiring nuanced strategies. Cultural sensitivities and economic disparities pose challenges. Opportunities include expanding market share and building global brands. Leveraging global feedback can drive innovation. Businesses must adapt to meet diverse consumer expectations. Global operations face regulatory, cultural, and economic challenges. Examples include Google's antitrust issues and eBay's cultural missteps. Apple's pricing strategies reflect economic disparities. Political instability in Venezuela affected business operations. Supply chain disruptions during the pandemic highlighted logistical challenges. Global markets are volatile, posing strategic risks. Diversification can dilute focus and complicate management. Local competition and integration difficulties add complexity. Supply chain flow faces logistical and regulatory challenges. Successful businesses adopt agile strategies and robust risk management. In conclusion, determining the strategic complexities associated with operating in a global environment is essential for effective international business management. Global operations present challenges such as cultural differences, legal and regulatory variations, economic uncertainty, political risk, and complex supply chains. These factors require organizations to adapt strategies, manage risk carefully, and balance global integration with local responsiveness. Understanding these complexities enables businesses to make informed strategic decisions, enhance competitiveness, and achieve sustainable success in the global marketplace. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.